Hi, I'm Jennifer Orme, the Human Resources Director for the City of Holland. I'm here to talk to you today about some highlights from this past year and some priorities going into the next year. I'd also like to acknowledge that this past year has been a difficult one for many of the staff, but I'm incredibly impressed and have seen so many silver linings by all of the work that they've done to get through this pandemic. All right, let's talk about some highlights from this year. We've continued to build the employee training and professional development framework. It's been in progress, and we've had several in-person and virtual trainings offered and attended in 2021 so far. We completed the police and fire union negotiations before contract expiration. That never happens, so we're really excited that that was able to be achieved. We've been able to attract and retain a talented and diverse workforce this past year, even during the pandemic. We did a lot of Zoom interviews. We had some employees that actually didn't get to meet with us in person until an offer had been made. But we've hired some incredible employees. We had planned to implement the wage and classification study recommendations. This was completed on schedule. We work hard to continue to reduce our workers' compensation claims through our safety program efforts and education, and we've been keeping our work sites safe from the spread of COVID-19. Our central safety team received an award from Accident Fund, our workers' compensation carrier. In addition to being recognized for continuous improvement in safety and collaboration for success, we also received a rate decrease for our workers' compensation. We continue to offer a competitive benefit package to our employees. This has helped us to be competitive at attracting new talent as well. This past year, we actually received a rate decrease for our medical premiums. All right, let's talk about some priorities for this next year. With continued support from City Council, we hope to continue to add value through the education training program and offer a wide variety of courses to our employees. That includes DEI, cultural intelligence courses, emotional intelligence, leadership, technical skills, and mental health and wellness. Succession planning and career development is also a priority. We hope through employee training, through some mentoring, cross-training, and the use of assessment tools, we can continue to achieve success. Another priority is to continue attracting and retaining a talented and diverse workforce. We're looking at finding new ways to recruit. I attended the Organizational Inclusion and Diversity course through Michigan State University this past year and was able to gain a lot of value from that experience. Veronica, the Human Resources Specialist in the Human Resources Department, is also a new member of the West Michigan Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. Regional collaboration and the use of the Government Alliance on Race and Equity Toolkit for integrating racial equity into city policies and practices is also a priority going into this next year. We'll continue to work closely with other municipalities and organizations to reach this goal. Reducing work-related injuries and keeping our employees safe will always be a priority. We continue to work as a central safety team here at the city and in collaboration with the Board of Public Works to achieve this goal. We'll continue to offer a competitive benefit package to meet our employees' needs. We plan to do that through looking at our plans and being creative with plan design, having the best retirement benefits possible, and having affordable rates not only for the city but for our employees. These next couple of slides show you a little bit more detail about the workers' compensation claims. As you can see, we still had 48 total claims submitted to our insurance carrier. However, we did have one additional recordable incident in 2020 as compared to 2019. This second slide represents lost time. Not all of our workers' compensation claims result in employees missing work, but 7 of them did. And of those 7, 301 days were missed. Although this past year has been incredibly difficult and challenging for our employees, I've seen so many silver linings. The teamwork, the dedication, the patience has been incredible. Myself and the rest of the Human Resources team look forward to supporting those incredible employees going into the next year.